Do you know when the police can legally make you leave your home? It's an important question that often goes unasked until it's too late. Today, we're going to shed some light on this topic. We'll talk about the Fourth Amendment of the U.S. Constitution and similar protections around the world, which safeguard against unreasonable searches and seizures. We'll also explore the various scenarios under which law enforcement may ask you to step outside your residence. So, brace yourself for an insightful exploration of your rights and the law. The Fourth Amendment of the U.S. Constitution safeguards us against unreasonable searches and seizures. But what does that mean for homeowners? Well, in essence, it means that your home is your castle, a sanctuary where your privacy is respected and protected. The Fourth Amendment usually requires law enforcement officers to have a search warrant before they can enter and search your home. This warrant must be issued by a judge and based on probable cause, which means there must be reasonable grounds or evidence to believe a crime has been committed. But let's not forget, the Fourth Amendment is not an exclusively American concept. Similar protections exist beyond the borders of the United States. For instance, in Europe, the European Convention on Human Rights guarantees the right to respect for private and family life, home, and correspondence. In Canada, Section 8 of the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms safeguards individuals from unreasonable search and seizure. Down under in Australia, the law also requires police to usually have a warrant to search a person's home. These laws are designed to protect the sanctity of our homes and our right to privacy. They ensure that we can feel safe and secure in our own homes, free from the fear of arbitrary intrusion by the state. They are a cornerstone of democratic societies, upholding the principle that every individual has the right to be left alone unless there is a valid, legal reason for interference. However, like most things in law, it's not as straightforward as it seems. While the Fourth Amendment and its international counterparts provide robust protections, they are not absolute. There are exceptions to this rule, where law enforcement officers can enter and search your home without a warrant. Let's find out what they are. While the law generally requires a search warrant, there are certain exceptions that allow police to enter your home. Firstly, we have consent to search. This is pretty straightforward. If you give the police permission to enter and search your home, they don't need a warrant. But be aware, once you give consent, you can't legally retract it midway through the search. Next up is the plain view doctrine. This means if police are lawfully in your home and they see evidence of a crime in plain sight, they can seize it without a warrant. For example, if they're in your home responding to a noise complaint and they spot stolen goods on your coffee table, they can seize those goods. Then we have exigent circumstances. These are emergency situations that require immediate action to prevent physical harm, preserve evidence, or apprehend a fleeing suspect. If, for instance, police hear screams from inside your home, they can enter without a warrant to ensure everyone's safety. Lastly, we have the automobile exception. This one's a bit unique. It states that if a vehicle is on your property and police have probable cause to believe it contains evidence of a crime, they can search it without a warrant. It's important to note that this only applies to the vehicle, not your home. So these are the main exceptions where police can enter your home without a warrant. Remember, these situations are exceptions, not the norm. It's always crucial to understand your rights and cooperate with the police to avoid misunderstandings. Now that we understand when police can enter your home, let's look at when they can ask you to leave. The police can ask you to leave your home under certain circumstances. Knowing these can help protect your rights. Let's go into a few scenarios where this might happen. First, if the police have a search warrant for your home, they can ask you to leave while they conduct the search. The warrant gives them the legal authority to enter and search the premises. It's important to verify the legitimacy of the warrant and ask for details about it. Next, consider a situation where there's an immediate threat or danger. This could be a gas leak, a fire, or a threat to public safety. In such cases, the police can ask you to leave your home for your own safety and the safety of others. Then, if you're being arrested, the police have the right to ask you to leave your home. This is to ensure that the arrest process goes smoothly and safely for everyone involved. Lastly, during property repossession or eviction, the police may be involved to ensure that the process is carried out legally and peacefully. If you're the one being evicted, you'll be asked to leave your home. It's crucial to remember that these situations may be stressful, but it's important to stay calm and cooperate with the police. They are there to uphold the law and ensure everyone's safety. Knowledge is power, and understanding the law can help you protect your rights. We've explored the Fourth Amendment, which safeguards us against unreasonable searches and seizures, and the circumstances under which these protections might be bypassed. Remember, Police usually need a search warrant to enter your home. Exceptions do exist, such as when there's immediate danger, during an arrest, or if you give consent. If asked to leave your home, it's crucial to stay calm, ask for details, and verify the legitimacy of a search warrant if one is presented. This understanding not only empowers you, but also fosters a cooperative relationship with law enforcement. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching.